Pranasa is back with another lecture on time and work. Let us understand questions related to efficiency. Sakshi can do a piece of work in 20 days. Tanya is 25% more efficient than Sakshi. The number of days taken by Tanya to do the same piece of work is. Let's try to solve this. As Tanya is 25% more efficient than Sakshi, ratio of rate of work of Sakshi to Tanya will be 100:125. As Tanya is 25% more efficient than Sakshi. So if rate of work ratio is 100:125, then ratio of time taken will be the opposite of this, that is 125:100. And this on solving will be getting 5:4. Now let's see what is asked in the question. The number of days taken by Tanya to do the same piece of work. So let's assume this as X. It is given that Sakshi can do the piece of work in 20 days. And we have to find out Tanya's time to complete the work. Let's equate the time taken by Sakshi and Tanya. That is 5/4 is equal to 20 by X. This will become X is equal to 4 into 20 by 5. And on solving this, X will be 16 days. So Tanya takes 16 days to complete the same work. If 12 men and 16 boys can do a piece of work in 5 days, 13 men and 24 boys can do it in 4 days, then the ratio of daily work done by a man to that of a boy is. Firstly, let's assume one man's 1 day work as X and one boy's 1 day work as Y. It is given that 12 men and 16 boys can do a piece of work in 5 days. So part of work done in 1 day will be 1/5. Similarly, 13 men and 24 boys can do it in 4 days. So part of work done in 1 day will be 1/4. As one man's 1 day work is X and one boy's 1 day work is Y, let's convert this statement into equations. 12x plus 16y is equal to 1/5. 13x plus 24y is equal to 1/4. On solving this, we'll be getting x is equal to 1/100 and y will be 1/200. Is asking for the ratio of daily work done by a man to that of a boy. Therefore, required ratio will be x is to y, that is 1/100 is to 1/200, and this will become 2:1. This is the ratio. We are done with category 2 with this lecture.